Growing capsicum from seeds is an easy and rewarding process that can be done in containers at home. Here are the steps to grow capsicum plants from seeds in containers. Choose a good quality chili seed. It's important to start with good quality chili seeds. You can sow the seeds in small pots filled with seed starting mix. Potting mix: 40% Cocopeat plus 40% fine sand plus 20% vermicompost. Capsicum plants prefer well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. Capsicum seeds require warm soil to germinate, so it's best to sow the seeds when the weather is warm and the soil temperature is at least 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Sow the capsicum seeds about 1 centimeter deep in the soil and cover them lightly with soil. Water the soil gently after sowing the seeds to keep it moist. Avoid overwatering, which can cause the seeds to rot. Capsicum plants require plenty of sunlight to grow, so place the seed tray or pot in a sunny spot. Seeds germination may take 7 to 21 days. It depends on seeds quality and weather conditions. When the seedlings have grown their first true leaves, transplant them into larger containers or the garden bed. In general, capsicum plants require a pot that is at least 10-12 inches in diameter and 10-12 inches deep. Potting mix: 40% garden soil plus 40% vermicompost plus 20% fine sand. It's important to choose a pot with good drainage holes to prevent water from accumulating in the soil and causing root rot. Be careful not to damage the delicate roots. You should also avoid overcrowding the pot, as this can lead to poor growth and development. In general, 1 capsicum plant per pot is ideal. Water the soil lightly and place it in partially shaded area next 5 to 7 days, then shift it in direct sunlight. Capsicum plants need consistent moisture, so water them regularly. Avoid getting water on the leaves, as this can cause fungal diseases. Capsicum plants benefit from regular fertilization. Apply a balanced fertilizer every 2 weeks to promote healthy growth. There are several fertilizers that can help to promote faster growth in plants. You can use vermicompost, fish emulsion, seaweed fertilizer, bone meal, neem cake, mustard cake, plant leaves, etc. Capsicum plants typically produce fruit 60 to 90 days after planting. As the plants grow, they may need support to prevent them from toppling over. Use stakes or a trellis to support the plants. Capsicum plants grow best in warm weather and need plenty of sunlight, 6 to 8 hours, to thrive. The ideal temperature range for growing capsicum is between 20 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. Capsicum plants are sensitive to frost and cold temperatures. Here, I removed most of the leaves to show the clear result, but don't apply this step on your plants. Capsicum plants are prone to pests and diseases such as aphids, spider mites, and bacterial wilt. Use organic methods such as neem oil or insecticidal soap to control pests, and practice good hygiene to prevent diseases. Capsicum plants require regular watering to stay healthy. Water them deeply once or twice a week, depending on the weather conditions. If you liked the video, please click on the red color subscribe button and press the bell icon. Click on the like button and share it. Please give your valuable comment in the below comment box also. Harvest the fruit when they are firm and fully grown, but before they start to turn red or yellow.